So here's the patch settings, and the intro I've used my own clean tone, and inside I got FD combo. It's like a Fender combo. Gain 8, tube 30, level 86, treble 48, mid 45, bass 47, presence 48, cab deluxe R 1x12, output line. Then next to it I put a hall reverb, decay 10, tone 5, mix 46, pred 49, level 130, tail off. So I only use this one for the intro. Then the second one, I renamed it as Be Yourself, because this is the main patch actually for the song. So the rest of the song I'm using this one. The first one that you will see here is the Marshall amp sim, because I think Tom Morello is using a Marshall JCM head. So gain 40, tube 30, level 100, treble 50, middle 50, bass 50, presence 50, cab MS 1959 4x12, output line. Next to it I added a reverb. It's a plate reverb, so pred 9, decay 52, mix 44, color 58, low DMP 97, high DMP 95, tail off, level 100. And then the last bit I put a pedal cry or a cry baby, and I did a video about this where you can turn and off a pedal. So it's either you press stop, just decide, or the play. It's just the same function, but you need to turn it off like that. Okay, frequency 26, then dry mix 50, level 100. So that's the values, and then you can manually turn it on here during guitar solo and then turn it off, because we didn't turn it on the patch itself. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the song. Thanks for watching. So, for those of you who are new to my channel, please subscribe and welcome. And see you soon again. Bye for now.